Are you looking for the perfect tool for a flawless foundation and face finish? I have something for you! Hi everyone, my name is Carrie Ingram, aka Glamonista08, and today we're going to be talking about an essential that you need in your makeup arsenal in order to make sure that your makeup looks okay. Having a flawless finish, there's a lot of steps and there's a lot of different things that have to be incorporated in your makeup routine, but one thing that I feel like a lot of people overlook is having the perfect tool to help blend out these products you're putting on your face. And I have the classic iconic tool you need that you can get right here from eCosmetics, and it is the very original classic Beautyblender sponge. So let's just take a moment to dissect this sponge. Mine is looking used because she is. But the Beautyblender sponge is an iconic item, and it is something that you definitely should have in your makeup arsenal. It comes in different iterations now because it's been a while since the Beautyblender has taken over the beauty industry, so there's different colors, there are different sizes, etc. The original OG version is perfect for your everyday routine. Basically, the Beautyblender is a specialized makeup sponge that allows for you to really get an even application of product and blend everything out, get to all of the corners, nooks, and crannies on the face, and you can also use it not just on things like foundation or BB creams, but also on things like your concealer, your bronzers and contours, and even powder. Now this tool is so amazing that it's one of the #1 best-selling makeup tools out there, and it is in the Allure Hall of Fame. It is reusable, you can use it dry or wet, and it gives you an airbrushed finish to your makeup in a way that a lot of other tools cannot achieve. So I'm not going to lie to you, as a makeup sponge user, for the longest time I never wet my sponge and I still had a really great application. So you can use this. It's very bouncy, it's very easy to use dry on the face. However, now that I have converted, I usually don't dampen my sponge with water, but you can run to the sink and do that. I usually just use a couple of spritzes of my favorite setting spray to dampen it. Dampening your sponge allows for it to not absorb as much of your makeup when you're blending it out, but it also allows for you to have an even easier time airbrushing your makeup. It creates a really nice ethereal finish to the foundation and concealers and other products that you're blending out. And it's so easy to use because it's literally one product. The pointy edge allows you to get into like the little nooks and crannies on the inner corner of the eye or around the nose and really get detailed. And then the large end you can use as a blender. So usually what I do is I'll just take it at an angle and kind of bounce it on my face using the tip to again get like my inner corner area, especially when I'm blending out my concealer. But then the bottom I save only for when I have harsh lines and I want to blend them out without adding concealer or lighter products from the tip. So I'll just turn it around and kind of bounce it. It's so good at giving you a nice flawless finish, so easy to use, and the best thing about this is you don't have to worry about weird things like streaks that you can get sometimes when you use a brush to blend out your makeup. I 10 out of 10 recommend this blender. You absolutely need this. I can't say it enough, and I know it's pretty classic. I mean, it's just a sponge, but it's not just a sponge, you know? And the Beautyblender is really great too because not only does it have a longer lasting durability, but it's really easy to clean as well. So it's just something that you need. You'll be able to reuse this for a long time before you have to replace it, and it'll definitely be worth it.